Here's a roadmap to becoming a proficient UX, UI designer, with a suggested timeline for mastering the skills. Phase 1, Foundations, 1-2 months. 1. Understand UX, UI basics. What is UX, UI? Differences and overlap. Key principles: usability, accessibility, user-centered design. Tools overview: Sketch, Figma, Adobe XD, InVision. Deliverables: user flows, wireframes, prototypes. Resources: books, Don't Make Me Think, by Steve Krug, The Design of Everyday Things, by Don Norman. Courses: Coursera's Google UX Design or Interaction Design Foundation. Phase 2, Research and Empathy, 1-2 months. 1. User research. Learn methods like interviews, surveys, and usability testing. Create user personas and user journeys. 2. Competitive analysis. Study competitor products to understand user expectations. Resources: books, Observing the User Experience, by Mike Kuniowski. Tools: Dovetail, Look Back, Usability Hub. Phase 3, Wireframing and Prototyping, 2-3 months. 1. Wireframing. Learn how to create low-fidelity wireframes. Use tools like Figma or Balsamiq. 2. Prototyping. Create interactive prototypes using Figma, Adobe XD, or InVision. Focus on interactions, animations, and transitions. Resources: practice, wireframe and prototype existing websites, apps. Phase 4, Visual Design and UI Development, 2-3 months. 1. Typography and Color Theory. Study typography and how colors impact user experience. 2. Layout and Design Systems. Learn grid systems, spacing, and hierarchy. Create a personal design system. 3. UI Tools. Master tools like Figma, Adobe XD for high-fidelity UI design. Resources: books, Refactoring UI, by Adam Wathan, Steve Skoger. Courses: Udemy or Skillshare for UI, visual design. Phase 5, UX Writing and Interaction Design, 1-2 months. 1. Microcopy and UX Writing. Learn how words impact user experience. Practice writing error messages, button labels, etc. 2. Interaction Design. Focus on how users interact with products. Learn about affordances, feedback, and patterns. Phase 6, Usability Testing and Iteration, 1-2 months. 1. Usability Testing. Conduct usability tests on your prototypes. Gather feedback and iterate. 2. A/B Testing and Analytics. Understand A/B testing and data-driven design. Tools: Google Analytics, Hotjar, Maze Optimizely. Phase 7, Portfolio Building, 1-2 months. 1. Build a strong portfolio. Document case studies for 3-5 projects. Showcase your process, not just the final designs. 2. Create a personal website. Use Webflow, Wix, or WordPress to create a portfolio site. Phase 8, Networking and Job Search, ongoing. 1. Networking. Join UX, UI communities, LinkedIn, Dribbble, Behance. Attend design meetups and online events. 2. Job search. Apply to internships and entry-level jobs. Freelance or work on side projects. Total estimated time, 9-12 months. This timeline is flexible based on your learning pace.